Today's topic is landscaping. Importance and scope of landscaping. The landscape gardening is not only aesthetic, which is meant to beautify places, but also functional and important. Surroundings make a significant contribution to our quality of life. The word landscape doesn't only mean attractive scenery, but represents a rich historical record of natural features molded by human activity over the centuries. It forms the context of our everyday lives and is reflected in our literature, music, and painting. The art of landscape gardening will involve considering the total environment of any new development and then shaping it using natural elements such as landform, trees, shrubs, and water to form a pleasing harmony. This can make a constructive contribution to the improvement rather than the destruction of environment. Plants that form an important element in landscape design aid in reducing the pollution of the environment and minimizing some of the effects of heat, sound, wind, air, etc. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthetic process and purifying the air. Plants with thick foliage also trap pollutants which are later washed away by the rains. Some plants such as hydrangea, mustard and hyacinth absorb toxic materials from the environment they are in. Plants can block, diffuse, guide, arch and alpines. Plants can be used to direct wind so that the wind flushes out the polluted air. Plants control erosion caused due to excessive wind, rain or snow. Plants with good branching and deep root system and also those with fibrous surfaces, roots help reducing the loss of fertile topsoils. Plants reduce radiated heat thereby bringing down temperatures. In winter, deciduous trees which shed their leaves allow lights to pass through, thereby warm the space. In addition to their utility, plants have aesthetic values too. Plants also gives pleasure to us. Form can be seen not only in the plant as a whole but in its parts as well. Most plants have an inherent capacity to stimulate visually. Their most obvious feature is their coloring, not only the brilliant hues of flowers, fruits, and leaves, but also the muted tones of stem and bark. Green, the most common color, is psychologically the most restful. The stimulation that plant color provides is enhanced by context and texture. Visual effects are the plant's structure and shape. Landscape gardens have contributed to the development of landscape horticulture industry. The growing plants for the landscape is referred to as nursery business. A nursery is the place where any young plant is grown or maintained before permanent planting is called nursery. The nursery industry involves the production of and distribution of woody and herbaceous plants and induces ornamental bulbous crops. The production of cuttings to be grown in greenhouses or for indoor use foliage plants as well as the production of bedding plants is considered a part of floriculture, which is the contribution of landscape garden. Thank you.